Jack the lion needs some courage. Charlie the Tin Man needs a heart. And Chloe, Dorothy, needs to get home for the boys' birthday party. So come on guys, let's follow the yellow brick road and hopefully I can find a brain.
Chloe, you're not always pick you. I see the colors, new world uncovers. You're always safe here. I'm here if you need me.
Quick Chloe, throw water on her.
Jane, little
Oh no!
you're safe in my
She's melting. Oh no, what have you done, Chloe? Oh, Chloe, you killed the witch. There's nothing left of her. Come on, let's follow this yellow brick road and try and find this wizard so we can get you home to the birthday party. And I can get my brain. And Jack can get his courage. And Charlie can get his heart. Come on, let's go. Okay guys, you all made it. Mr. Scarecrow, you wanted a brain. Well, for you to have a brain, you have to have a diploma. And here we are, we have to Mr. Scarecrow a diploma. So I'm going to hand you this. So thank you, Mr. Wizard. I've now got a brain. 2 and 2 is 4. Okay, Jack. You lost all your courage and you're supposed to be an angry lion. So for you, I have this medal. So I'm going to put this medal on you. And it means you're number 1, the champion for bravery. Okay, Charlie, you're the Tin Man and you needed a heart. So for you, I have this bandana. And this bandana is full of hearts. So let me slip this over your head. You can wear this wherever you go.